Did you know? Everyday habits like sweating, touching your face, or even your towels can trigger acne. And acne isn't just about oil or clogged pores.
All Beauty's acne serum fights acne at every single stage. Want to prevent acne from coming back? Try All Beauty's acne serum today.